Welcome my dear students. I am Sri Saimwar and today we are going to learn about class 6 subject computer chapter number 3 topic robotics and artificial intelligence. Dear students, in this chapter we will discuss about first what is a robot, second robotics, third types of robots based on applications, and fourth artificial intelligence, and fifth applications of artificial intelligence.
Okay, dear students, first we know about what is a robot. A robot is a machine programmable by a computer capable of carrying out a complex series of functions automatically. Means it is a computer programmable machine that carrying out any types of works automatically. It is controlled by an external devices or maybe by the other robots. Robots may be developed on the terms of human forms, but actually most are designed as a machine to perform a task with no appearance. Robots can be used in many situations and for lots of purposes. But dear students, today many are used in dangerous environments including bomb detection and deactivations, manufacturing processes, or where humans cannot survive. Next topic, robotics. It is the branch of science and engineering that deals with the design, constructions, operation, and application of robots as well as computer system for their control and information processing. Dear students, it means robotics is the branch of science and engineering that is used to design, constructions, operations, and applications of robots. Robotics technologies are used to develop machines that can substitute for humans and also replicate human actions. Types of robots based on applications. First, industrial robots. Industrial robots are often designed to perform dangerous as well as repetitive tasks that cannot be done by humans. It is a robot system used for manufacturing and similar processes. Industrial robots are most often fixed machines which are essentially mechanical arms. It means this type of robots are specially designed to perform dangerous as well as repetitive works or tasks that human being cannot do. It is a fixed machine which is essentially mechanical arms. It works like welding, painting, packaging, and labeling productions, etc. Number second, service robot. Service robots assist human beings typically by performing a job that is dirty, distant, dangerous, or repetitive, including household chores like cleaning, using vacuum cleaners. Other applications are self-driving cars, drones, and surgeries, etc. Dear students, actually, this type of robot assists human beings, typically performing a job or work that is dirty, dull, distant, dangerous, including household works like cleaning, using vacuum cleaners. It also used for others applications like self-driving cars, drones, and medical surgeries, etc. Number 3, agriculture robots. As the demand increases, agriculture robots will become more incorporated into every aspect of agricultural activity. Using advanced sensors, these services robots will spray for weed control, harvest crops, plant seeds, and trim existing plants and trees. It means this type of robot is used in agricultural activities like spray for weed control, harvest crops, plant seeds, and trim existing plants and trees. Next, domestic and household robots. These are robots used at home. This type of robots includes many quite different devices such as robotic vacuum cleaners, sweepers, gutter cleaners, etc. Dear students, actually these robots are used at home. It includes many quite different devices such as vacuum cleaners, pole cleaners, sweepers, gutter cleaners, and other different cores. Next, entertainment robots. These are robots used for entertainment. This is a very broad category. It starts with toy robots such as RoboSpan or the running alarm clock and ends with robot arms used as motion simulators. A motion simulator is a mechanism that creates the feeling of being in a real environment. It means these robots are used for entertainment. It has very broad category. It starts with toy robots like RoboSpan or like running alarm clock, ends with robot arms used as motion simulators. Dear students, a motion simulator is a mechanism that creates the feeling of being in a real motion environment. Next type of robots, military robots. These are robots used in military. This type of robots includes bomb disposal robots, different transportation robots, exploration drones, etc. Often, robots initially created for military purposes can be used in law enforcement, search and rescue, and other related fields. It means this type of robot is used in military purposes. It is used for bomb disposal, transportation, exploration, drones, etc. It is also used in law enforcement, search and rescue, and other related fields. Next topic is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a way of making a computer controlled robot or a software think intelligently in the similar manner the humans think. Dear students, it means it is a computer controlled robot which can think intelligently just like a human beings can think. Artificial intelligence is accomplished by studying how human brain thinks and how humans learn, decide, and work while trying to solve a problem, and then using the outcomes of this study as a basics of developing intelligent software and systems. Chess playing computers are one example where computer learns and improve games learning from previous games. Some of the activities computers with artificial intelligence are designed for include speech recognition, learning, planning, and problem solving. Next topic is applications of artificial intelligence. There are multiple applications of artificial intelligence. First, in classrooms. The future of artificial intelligence in the classroom is looking bright. One of the most exciting innovations is the idea of a personal artificial intelligence tutor or assistant for each individual student. It means artificial intelligence will be used in the classroom. In the classrooms, it will assist each individual students. Artificial intelligence tutors would allow for students to get extra one-on-one help in areas of needed growth. Artificial intelligence will be able to create lessons, problems, and general of tailors to the specific students' needs, particularly where students may be struggling, and give immediate feedback. Next applications, hospital and medicines. Artificial intelligence helps in computer-aided interpretation of medical images. Such systems helps scan digital images, that is from computed tomography, CT scan, for typical appearances and to highlight obvious sections such as possible diseases. A typically applications is the detection of a tumor. It means artificial intelligence also helps in the field of medical science. It scans digital images like CT scan, means computed tomography, which helps to detection of a tumor. Next applications, expert systems. There are some applications which integrate machine, software and spatial information to impart reasoning and advising. They provide explanation and advice to the users. Means this type of artificial intelligence application provide explanation and advice to the users and also attempts to mimic the decision making expertise of an expert in a given field. Dear students, actually it is just like an expert who can help others to take decision and solving their problems. Next applications, speech recognition. Some intelligent systems are capable of hearing and understanding the language in terms of sentences and their meanings while a human talks to it. That means it is capable of hearing and understanding the language and their meanings while a human being talks to it. It also can handle different accents, slang words, background noise, etc. Next applications, intelligent robots. Robots are able to perform the tasks given by a human. They have sensors to detect physical data from the real world such as light, heat, temperature, movement, sound, bump and pressure. They have efficient processors, multiple sensors and use memory to exhibit intelligence. In addition, they are capable of learning from their mistakes and they can adapt to the new environment. Dear students, it means this type of robots are able to perform the tasks given by a human. It has a sensor to detect physical data from the real world like light, heat, temperature, movement, etc. It is also capable of learning from their mistakes and can adapt to the new environments. Next applications is smart virtual assistants. A virtual assistant is an application that can understand voice commands and complete tasks for a user. Virtual assistants are available on most smartphones and tablets, traditional computers, and now even stand-alone devices like the Amazon Echo and Google Home, Apple Siri, Google Assistant, Amazon's Alexa, and Microsoft's Cortana accept voice commands to do many things are example of smart virtual assistants. Dear students, it is an application that can understand voice commands and complete tasks for a user. It is available on most smartphones and tablets and even standalone devices like Amazon Echo and Google Phone, etc. They combine specialized computer chips, microphones, and software that listens for specific spoken commands from you and usually answers back with a voice that you select. Examples of smart virtual assistants are like Google Assistants, Amazon's Alexa, and Microsoft's Cortana, etc. Now, dear students, your third lesson is complete. Okay, thank you and have a good day.